Welcome, everybody. Good afternoon. From this place and this incredible view in front of a handcrafted arch crafted by Kristyn's uncle and father, we take ourselves out of the usual routines of daily living to witness an everlasting moment in the lives of Sean and Kristyn. Today, they join their lives in the union of marriage.
Sean, who would have thought a bonfire and a beer would be what brought me to you? I am so thankful that you came into my life. You've taught me what having true patience truly means, especially with dealing with me, and that kindness goes above anything else. You've taught me to see the beauty in all things, despite what's happening in the moment. I love how gentle your soul is, and that when I feel like the world is crumbling around me, you're standing there holding the pieces. I promise to never lose our spark and to always do the little things to make you happy. I promise to always make you laugh and to laugh with you. I promise to always, and I mean always, let you cook dinner. I promise to support you in whatever our future holds. I will do it standing by you and supporting you by your side. I love you, and I can't wait to see what we do next.
Kristyn, the love of my life. From the moment I met you, my life changed forever. Who knew 8 years ago at a bonfire, stealing your drink would lead us to this point today? I promise to always keep dinner ready for you when you get home from a 12-hour shift, saving babies' lives all day. I promise to always make sure you have clean scrubs ready to go for the next shift. And most importantly, I promise to always remind you of how special you are to me and everyone around you.
Okay? Are you crying? Wow, this is great! You're a jerk.
You're a jerk.
Love you.
Love you too.
Why are you crying? Why is everyone crying? You like the dress?
Yeah.
Yeah? You look cute with your bow tie. Love you.
I give you this ring.
Wear it with love and joy,
Wear it with love and joy,
as this ring has no end.
as this ring has no end.
My love is also forever.
My love is also forever.
I give you this ring.
I give you your grandfather's ring. Wear it with love and joy.
As this ring has no end.
As this ring has no end. My love is also forever. I can't get it.
It is my greatest honor to introduce to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Sean Gallagher. Woo-hoo!
my wife and I, together with Sean's parents, April and Sean, want to welcome all our family, friends, as we are here on a beautiful day, but a little chilly. Fall day to celebrate Kristyn and Sean.
Sean has really become a part of my family and the rest of ours, and I couldn't be happier. So remember, Sean, no take backs. She's all yours. So congratulations to the happy couple.
Kristyn has been nothing but sweet to me and everyone we've been around this entire time. Been super nice and loving, and Sean punched way above his weight class, and I'm so glad that he did. I love you both, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Thank you, guys.
Now for the fun part. I'm going to introduce everyone to a fun Nashville tradition. It is called the holler and swaller. On the count of 3, you will all raise your glass. Give your loudest yell to the Kelleher's, as they deserve every ounce, every second of this celebration. And we will yell as loud as we can, and we will drink. 1, 2, 3.